Hey, what's up YouTube, all things iOS here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to actually be showing you guys a feature, and it is called auto answer calls. And what this will do is it'll automatically answer any calls that you get on your iOS device. Of course, you can decline after it picks up, but it'll automatically pick up the calls for you. This is actually hidden. It's not an iOS 14 feature. It's been there for a very long time, but it's not very popular. So I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Also follow me on Twitter. I share lots of updates there as well. So yeah. So first what you want to do is you want to open settings. And as you can see on screen right now, I'm in the accessibility section in touch. And here at
Screen
the
dimmed.
very bottom, you'll see
Call audio routing. Call audio routing determines where audio will be heard. Call audio routing. When this switch is off, vibration, accessibility, touch, heading, assistive touch. Assistive touch allows. Call audio routing determines where audio. Call audio routing. Automatic.
Audio
selected.
routing?
Automatic.
And once you get there, you'll see
Auto answer calls off.
auto answer calls. So it's actually hidden in the call audio routing settings inside of touch, inside of accessibility. So you can turn that on.
Auto answer
so you
calls
can just
off.
click that here.
Call audio routing.
And
Back
then you
button.
can
Auto answer
turn
calls
it on.
off. On. Seconds. 3 dot. Decrement. Button.
And here you can choose after how many seconds it'll answer.
The duration of time to wait until the call is auto answered. The duration of time to wait until the call is auto answered. Input seconds 3.00 text
So if you
field.
set it to, it's currently by default set to 3 seconds. If you leave it at that, after 3 seconds, your device will
Increment button.
automatically answer the call. So I'm
Call audio routing. Call audio.
There you go. So that is how you set auto answer calls with your iOS device. Thank you so much for watching.
Screen
I'll
recording in
see
progress.
you in the next video. Peace out.